I'm 7 years old. Brett Sucks is my granddad, and he's been teaching me to pick locks. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like if you like the video, and comment down your favourite animal. Also, it can be any. You can the amount of animals is 2 maximum. Today I'm going to be picking locks. To pick locks you need this and this. I've got something else to say. Shout out to Lady Locks for giving my granddad some awesome stickers. I've got one in here that I have to get out. I can only take it home if I get it out of the box, which I'm scared because I've already recorded this about 14 times and it has not been going well. So I've got to do it again. So to tell you, I'm not lying. If you don't really have this, then you can put it there. That's not part of the not lying part. Oh gosh. Got the key. See? Lady Locks is staying there till I can open it. It's quite like a challenge. So, how to do it, you need some tweezers, any type, and one of this. But you can also use this, but it's really hard. So we're just using this. With this, you have to put it like that. Then push it really light. There. I've opened it. Did I do it again? Or no? Okay. Ooh. That got stuck, but it's still opened. So it counts. Once I've done this, please, yay! I get to get it with the key because I accidentally put back. So, got it. I'm walking off of this, bye.